This video will cover setting up your bidder registration and configuring it through your public auction website. So for this tutorial, we're going to use the new version of the website. So first we're going to go to website and then we'll click on new style. And the first step to setting up bidder registration is right here. So let's click on bidder registration. Now, obviously we want to allow bidder registration. And I want to allow bidder registration to happen at any time. So I'm not going to set these two fields, but if you want to constrain it to a start and end time, then you can set that here. I'm not going to have pre-approved bidders because I want people who are not added to my database yet to still be able to register. If you set this to yes, that means that only people who have already been added to your auction by yourself with emails can register at the site if their emails match your existing record. I'm not going to limit the bidder domains because I want people with multiple email addresses to be able to register. But if you wanted to restrict it, then you could put in something like gmail.com. And now only people with email addresses with gmail.com at the end could register. But for now, I'm going to leave that blank. And as far as credit cards goes, if I did have a Stripe account connected, I would select yes on by default. But you can select any of these options that suit you. So now we're going to go back to the website manager and we're going to visit the website to finish our bidder registration setup. Now there is a register button that is automatically added to the menu bar right here, but because I have this description on my homepage, I'm going to add a register button below this text. So let's open it into edit mode. We're going to add content and we're going to add a registration element. Perfect. Now let's customize this a bit more. So we can go to settings and I'm going to have it ask for additional bidders because often couples come together or people bring their families who also want to bid on things but don't necessarily want to register their own bidder accounts. We can go to purchases. So this will control what items appear when someone's registering. After they fill in that information and they click next, they will be taken to a page where they can perhaps buy tickets or make a donation right from the start. If you have items that are already set to show during registration, then you can just have this selected. Or if you want to select the items now, you can click this arrow and all of your for sale items will pop down here. So as you can see, I have a donation item and these are two ticket items. So I'm going to have a ticket item. I'm going to click the add button and then I'm also going to have regular seating, this other ticket item added. And you can rearrange the order in which they appear just by selecting and clicking these arrows. But these are already set to appear on the registration page, so I'm just going to select this option for now. So let's click Save Changes, and perfect. So to give you an idea of what your visitors may see when they're registering, we can just add a last name here. You can click Next, and this is what they'll see on the next page. And they can also add comments to include with their own registration. For example, if you gave them a meal choice, they could state their meal choice here. Well, they could include any kind of comments they wish to. And here's the two ticket items. And that's how you set up bidder registration. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. And if you want to get in touch with us, you can email us at help@charityauctionorganizer.com.